Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, elegant and decent style of South Indian design dresses. How you can design your kurtis and you can exquisitely pair up them with your denim jeans, pants, or any different type of western bottoms. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you're watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos with your friends and family so that we could grow up into a large and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. You can also subscribe from many other devices as you can. Guys, in almost all of my videos, I try my level best to share amazing, beautiful, and creative ideas with you. But without your comments and without your involvement, it is not possible. Please leave in the comment section that what you want us to share with you in my new and upcoming videos. The intent of making videos is to share design and creativity and ideas with you. We never reclaim someone else's work as our own. The intent of making videos is never to copy someone else's work. So in the end, you are seeing collar style embroidery. Like collar embroidery is one of the very beautiful highly emerging trend. So stay tuned and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.